Hey guys, welcome to Sharing It. The Google's most popular app Gmail is going to have some new features. And Google says that it will be for the Gmail web users. Google promises a new GUI with features like smart reply and snoozing options. And the best part is that Gmail is going to have the offline support. So without wasting any time, let's get into more detail. I'm Ujjwal Tripathi, you're watching Sharing It. Please hit that red subscribe button now for more awesome tech videos like this. The Gmail's new design will be available in the coming weeks as an early access program. Google redesigned the Gmail application and brought a new application inbox in 2014, but there were no changes for the Gmail's web browser application. The new Gmail will have a clean look for the web application and easy access to the G Suite applications. There are many new features in this Gmail new design other than GUI, so let's see it. Smart replies. It's a feature available in the Gmail application and it is similar to what we have seen on the WhatsApp business application. If you have not watched my WhatsApp business application, you can click over here to watch it. Snooze emails. Are you fed up of your annoying emails? Now snooze it off with the new Gmail application. The Gmail will be getting an option to snooze emails for a set duration. Gmail offline. This was an earlier feature in the Google Chrome's web extension, but now Google is bringing it to the Gmail. And let's see how does it perform. I think so the Gmail offline will be one of the best features of this Gmail upgradation. Let's take a closer look at the new GUI. This information is based on the Android Authority. I've also given the link in the description. If you know them, then like this video. The new Gmail will allow users to choose from 3 layouts: the default, comfortable, and the compact. The default version will show you all your emails and the attachment that have been included in that email. The comfortable doesn't have much detail and it shows in paperclip if the mail has an attachment. Coming to the compact, it is similar like the comfortable, but it has some lesser white space. These were the new features that Gmail is bringing to the web application. So comment down now, what did you like the best? But the most important question here is how to get hands on this new Gmail. As I earlier told you, it will be an early access program from the G Suite. So I've given the link in the description to G Suite's application. Keep an eye on that website because there will be a notification from Google soon about the new Gmail. So that's it guys in this video. If you've loved this video, like this video and share this video with your friends and let them know about the new Google. I'll see you in another video. Till then, subscribe to Sharing It.